Good day, everyone. This is this big Versa-Vac that I rented to suck out all the insulation out of this attic. And here's how to operate it.
Okay, I'm checking the oil on this first. The oil looks really good. So this is a Kohler Command Pro 19 horsepower motor. And it's got a battery on there. So it's electric start. We're gonna hook it up to this gas tank first. This one right here.
And what I'm showing here is a safety shutoff switch, and it won't start unless that is depressed. And this is where the bag's attached to. You tape the bags around this area along with that little lever and switch. Here's the bags that are made to go along with it. They're industrial size, industrial strength bags, but they are quite spendy. What I'm demonstrating here is the fact that this thing won't run unless that little kill switch, that little safety switch is pushed in. If you release it, it kills the motor. If you push it in, it'll restart.
Okay, the bag goes on this part. We're taping down the safety latch there. Okay, I'm up in the crawl space here, and here's how I'm making the connections just with electrical tape. So the pieces just slide together with the collar on there, and then tape them together. Here's all the insulation. It goes way past that too. So quite a bit to do. You know where it comes up through the hole in the attic here, I've tied it off as well so the hose doesn't slide down. So for each length of hose, this is the collar that slips in there and then slips on the other end. That on choke. Okay, we got the bag coming out of there, and then the hose attached right there. Everything's taped up. What you're seeing here is me vacuuming up the insulation. However, it's on the lowest setting right now. So it wasn't until after I shot the video, shortly after shooting this demo, that we cranked it all the way up. You know, it has the turtle and the rabbit. Well, this had the lever all the way to the turtle side. It needs to be where the rabbit is for maximum suction. So it actually worked even a heck of a lot better than what you're seeing here, which it worked really well here too as well. Very happy with this, but once you crank that all the way up, this thing really hums. It's kind of how it looks when it's almost full. Yeah, making progress. Changing out the bag downstairs right now. All right, these things really puff up. So we're gonna go ahead and change the bag. Well, here's a look at the finished product. I was very happy with the performance of the vacuum there. The challenge was navigating around all the wires, trying not to pull them out and damage them. and just trying to maneuver the vacuum around them. One thing I didn't mention was that when we rented the vacuum, it came with 100 feet of hose as well. We were also able to dispose of the insulation at the dump, at the local dump, with no issues. They charged us just for construction demo debris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.